Hello and welcome to Hot Off the Wheels. In this episode, we're going to open and unbox the 36 count carton of Hot Wheels 2021 B case mailed from GameStop themselves. This may be a first and the last I ordered from GameStop. We shall see how this goes. So far, I'm not too impressed, and from what I've heard, I'm very skeptical of what I'll find in this case. So let's go right into it. What we're going to be looking for is the 4 GameStop exclusive Hot Wheel colors for 2021 B case. Here they are right here. So as we go through this case, be looking for those 4. We're going to put those completely to the side. I'm going to set them off the table as I want to keep track of the exact count. There's nothing on my table at this point other than a few items. So we're going to open it up and see what we can find. Again, I'm not expecting much, not too impressed, to be honest, from what I've heard from Lamley group, as well as other people online posting up about their experience with GameStop cases and orders for the 2021 Hot Wheels B case. Again, just not expecting much, and I'm not impressed with the way they shipped these to my house personally. While, you know, that might suffice for some people, I just think that's kind of cheap, to be honest, just to slap the shipping label, as I'll show you right here on this side. I've kind of blocked my address and, you know, more private information right there, but I just wanted to kind of show that to you. This was exactly how it arrived at my doorstep. So we're going to go and crack right into this case and see what we can find for the 2021 Hot Wheels B case. Again, just really, you know, some people have claimed that they ordered 2 cases and they got 2 Hot Wheels, mainline Hot Wheels. I'm not really, you know, I don't know if this has been retaped. I would imagine it has. It looks like, I don't know if said maybe if this is meant to be a support tape, but it does not look like it's factory tape. So I'm just going to make that note. But you be the judge. You let me know what your thoughts are. Again, I just think that's, you know, this has been resealed or retaped. Again, whether that was, you know, like a support tape for shipping, I don't know. We'll find out. But let's see, here's my shipping information there. We'll put that off to the side. Let's see. And there we are. Let's see what we can find. Let's go ahead and count it first and foremost. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 6 per layer. And it does look like there's, yeah, it does look like there's 36. Let me see. 6. Yes, it does look like 36, so we'll do the count as well. Make sure I'm not missing anything, but let's go ahead and crack right into it. I don't know if we'll have a lot of carryover from A, or if they'll be mostly B case. So first up is the Batmobile, the Batman Batmobile, the toned twin mill, and the Carbinator. And let's see what cases we've got. So you've got the B case right here, and the Carbinator and the Batmobile, and then the toned twin mill is the carryover from A. So you've got a little bit of A left over. Let's keep moving right along. Again, I'm not really expecting to find any supers or treasure hunts per se. I've just not had any luck in store. So, and based on what I've heard, like I said, from other people online and videos I've seen, I'm not really expecting to find anything else other than just the main lines. You've got the Lamborghini Urus, I believe it is. If I mispronounce it, I apologize. The El Viento, the Ford GT Race Edition. That's pretty sweet. Let me see if I can get a little bit gooder lighting for you. Up next, got the Jaguar F-Type. Definitely really nice casting. Definitely like that. Another El Viento, and another 2016 Ford GT Race. So far, I don't believe we've found any of the exclusives. Let's keep on going. All right, well, we've found our first exclusive. Looks like you've got the Nissan 300 ZX. I believe that's the carryover from A. Yes, indeed. You've got the exclusive Shelby GT500 right there. So one exclusive, I believe, so far. And then you've got the Porsche 944 Turbo. Love that casting a lot. That is super sweet. Let me know your thoughts. And that is the B case. Both of those are B. And then Nissan 300 was a carryover from A. And then you've got the Land Rover Defender 90, the Porsche 914 Safari, and the Big Air Bel Air. So far looks like we've got 3 of the 4. So there you got it. You got 3 of the 4. We'll put those right here. And that was B case as well. So, and then right out of the gate, you do have another GameStop exclusive color in the Bentley Continental. Definitely a nice color. I like that a lot. Of course, leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I'm definitely excited that we found 4 of the exclusive colors. So that's beats Lamley already. And I'm not exactly trying to compete with Lamley. I'm just, if you watch Lamley's video, he actually got unboxed. Now, his box or case did come in another box. So at least it was better packaged. However, his was definitely mismatched. He had received, I think, several castings that you shouldn't have had more than 2 or 3 of. And he got like 5, I believe, of. I'll post the link in the description if you're interested in watching his video. And then one of the other boxes was just wasn't even a case in it. It was just a box of I believe 35 main lines. So it's just, again, everyone's experienced different mixed results with GameStop. There's the old Zombot, pretty cool little, almost like a Rock'em Sock. It is a Rock'em Sock'em. There you go, the Rock'em Sock'em robot. That's pretty cool. So you'll let me know your thoughts. If you want to see any of these up close, definitely let me know. I'll drop a picture on the Instagram or the Facebook page. Links will be in the description if you're interested in following either of those. Be my guest. But another Jaguar, definitely excited to get another one of those. And I'll be sharing this case of my findings with my brother and father-in-law. They also clicked as well. The cool combi and that Hello Kitty. Love it. That is sweet. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely, I'm a VW fan, but even though the VW is a little bit of a tuned, I guess, kind of version, it's still pretty awesome to come across. And another 944 Turbo. Definitely can't get enough of those, so I'll take those all day. Let's see, we'll move those over here. Up next, another cool combi, the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo and the 68 Mustang in the Tuned series. And let's see, the Nissan, of course, is the carryover from A, but the rest of them were B case. So at least we're finding a good bit of B case, but I've gotten my fill of B case already. I've got plenty of that, and if you haven't seen the case behind this, well, right there, that is full of B as well. I'll be opening that up soon. It's always funny anytime I'm desperately looking for a case or a certain casting or anything. It never fails. If I go out of town to look for it, or I order something, it doesn't drop, or I don't see it until the second I order it or go out of town, and then I come back the next day, they're all dropping everywhere. So it's just my luck. But yeah, I've got the Toyota Sprinter Truno, I believe. If I mispronounced, I apologize. I do have several of these already, but I'm definitely excited to find some more of that. And then you've got the Bentley, of course, in that exclusive color for GameStop, and the Porsche Carrera. Definitely a Porsche fan if you know me. So I'm excited about that. I've already seen these in store as well. So like I said, I've got plenty of the cars from GameStop already. A lot of these castings are pretty banged up. You can see right here. It's not a big deal. I'll be opening up some of these anyways. It's kind of sad, and honestly, I have to assume it was probably done that way, maybe in shipping. I'm just getting tossed about, thrown in trucks. Again, for those who are just ordering for the kids, it's probably not a big deal since the kids are probably gonna open them anyways. However, for your, for the adult collectors, I do feel like GameStop should have thought that through a little bit more. So hopefully maybe this will be a learning experience for GameStop this year, if Mattel continues to venture with them moving forward and for exclusive colors and event days or mail-in offers. We've got the Poison Arrow, the Fig Rig, and I believe that's new. Very interesting. And it's fantasy casting, but it looks like a track star, so it does look like it might fly down the Hot Wheels track. So once I ever get my track set up, I'll definitely have to check that out and see how well it does. But yeah, let's see. I think the Poison Arrow is a carryover from A, and as you can see there, again, just not really impressed with how they were. This was more like a the way it was packaged. So again, not super impressed. A lot of these cases are banged up. Even the Poison Arrow, all of these are pretty much caved in. A good bit of these are caved in. Not a big deal. I'll be sharing a lot of these with my brother and father-in-law, and my brother-in-law likes to open all of his up. I like usually to open one up, keep one in the pack, so it probably won't be any of these that I keep in the pack, to be honest. A lot of these are just kind of jacked up, with a few exceptions. Like that one's in pretty good shape. You got another Fig Rig and another 68 Mustang. Again, for those who are, collecting as adults or wishing to keep theirs in the pack, definitely let me know how your GameStop mail-in has turned out. However, I would say it's pretty disappointing for any adult collectors hoping to get their hands on these castings in decent shape. You may be in for a surprise. And there's the Big Air Bel Air. Again, definitely one of the exclusive colors. Another exclusive right here in that Shelby GT 500. Definitely nice. And last but not least, another Poison Arrow. So it seems like we've got several Poison Arrows, at least 2 to 3 that I can spot. However, it's been a pretty, to be honest, it was a pretty averaged out case. There wasn't any overabundance of any one or certain casting. So I'm definitely happy with that. Of course, we didn't find the super treasure hunt or treasure hunt. The treasure hunt would have been the street wiener here. And as you can see in the right behind there's your Circle Flame logo for the treasure hunt. And that's the 2021 Hot Wheels B-Case treasure hunt. And then the super, if it was in the case, would have been the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. While it is a beautiful color, I'm not exactly the biggest fan of the wheels or the way this thing sits in the pack. It gets in there sideways sometimes. It will bang down, but so yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the shoes. I just feel like they could have done a lot better. So if it's one of those things, there's your emblem right there. So that would have been the super and the treasure hunt for the 2021 Hot Wheels B-Case. Neither of which we received in our GameStop case. Not a big deal. Like I said, I opened up probably 2 of these cases in store, and I didn't have any luck there either. Although I did find, I believe the Street Wiener. That was probably the only one I found hanging on the pegs, but a lot of people will probably pass those up just because it is a fantasy casting, kind of a silly casting. So a lot of people probably don't take that one too seriously, but definitely excited for the 2021 Hot Wheels B-Case. Again, most of these I've already seen dropping at Walmart, at Targets. I'd ordered this probably about 2 weeks back and just now got it. That's not necessarily GameStop's fault. All the carriers are experiencing delays right now, and they're just overwhelmed with shipping demands. So probably not necessarily the GameStop's fault for that. I don't fault them for the shipping speed, but what I do fault them for is the poor handling of the package. No protection whatsoever for the case or the Hot Wheels inside. Just kind of done poorly in my opinion. And again, some people, I think I fared pretty decent compared to a lot of people. A lot of people did not fare well, considering they either got very few Hot Wheels or an old or mixed assortment of Hot Wheels. You know, you be the judge if somebody went through all these cases before they ship, or if that's just some weird way that GameStop's packaging and shipping things. I don't know. Again, you be the judge. It does seem a little bit sketchy, a little bit strange. I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm definitely excited. At least they were a decent assortment, and we didn't have too many of any of the castings and not enough of any of the others. So we found the exclusive GameStop colors in here. So I'm happy with that. Again, wish they would have came in better packaging, came in better condition. You know, for an adult collector looking to keep these in the blister, I feel like GameStop really will be a disappointment and a letdown to you. But for those of you who may be just ordering for your kids, who will be opening these, it's probably not a problem at all. But again, I don't think I'm going to be ordering another case from GameStop going forward. But you let me know what your thoughts are. Of course, I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best, and definitely stay tuned for this one right here behind you. I look forward to opening that up soon on the channel. And until then, take care.